Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do an in-depth read for you and your person. Let's see how you're feeling, how your person's feeling, and what action we can expect now in this connection. And these are general collective readings, Leo, will not resonate with all of you. Please take what works for you, leave the rest. So my angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Leo. Send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Leo, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, of course, Leo, we welcome you also to join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Okay, so Leo, I'm going to be setting down two sets of cards, one for you, one for your person. And in the center, we'll have your action cards and your dialogue message cards. So for me, I'll be reading them as person A on my left and person B on my right. If this is your story, Leo, you'll know which side you're on, right? All right. So action for person A and action for person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the devil, Leo. What's this? Somebody getting obsessed with somebody? Sorry, Leo, I got disturbed by a call in the middle, but I'm back now. So as I was saying, for person A, which could be you, Leo, or this could be your person, I don't know, they are feeling that they don't want to be in a connection which is going to, again, make them feel things didn't work out or have any regrets or sorrow or something. They're trying to pull them out of a situation which they feel can lead to a bit of disappointment. And they feel if it's not built on firm foundation, if we don't have a friendship, we don't have a foundation, then if this tower has to fall, I might as well let it fall now, then wait for things to get worse, you know. So person A is kind of ready to kind of bail out, I would say. Where person B is concerned, I think they've been healing from something. They've taken some time out, they've been thinking about things, and they've realized, yes, I do want love in my life. I do want to have an emotional interaction with person A. I do have feelings for them, and I'd like to take them an offer of love. Just when person A is kind of giving up here. So let's see if you guys could say something to each other, Leo, what that would be. Leo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Leo and their person. If any of you are looking for a personal reading, Leo, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Leo and their person. All right. And let's take some more from here. True confessions. Leo and their person. All right, good to go, Leo. Let's begin your reading. The first card here says, I have a hard time focusing on you when I'm trying to build an empire. So maybe person B was taking some time out, maybe focusing on something else, and they never came up with an offer, and person A is now giving up, but now they've realized now, hey, I do have these feelings. I was maybe spending too much time not focusing on a connection, but now I do want to. I may not be good enough for you. You seem to have high standards. Okay, so that could be another reason why person B was not taking action, maybe not feeling ready enough or good enough, trying to work on themselves, taking some time out before they came up with any kind of an offer for person A. I'm so afraid that you've left my life forever. It hurts me to the core. I imagine the type of person you'd want to be with, and that person is nothing like me. These are self-worth issues, I think, what person B has been going through. I think they do have romantic feelings, but they hold themselves back because they feel they're not good enough, or they don't have enough, or they have to be better before they come with an offer. And meanwhile, I think person A is kind of saying, hey, I'm not going to just sit around here and keep, wondering whether this will ever happen. If it's not strong enough to stand the test of a relationship, then I might as well bail out and not worry about it. I tend to look at your social media pages, waiting on signs to connect with you. I can't stop thinking about the times we once shared. You're much more attractive to me when you're empowered rather than when you're insecure. See, that's, I think, what person A would like to tell person B, that why do you have these doubts? Why do you hold back from this connection? Why do you feel you're not good enough for me? I mean, these are all your problems. There's nothing to do with this connection. All right, so Leo, if this seems to be your story, let's get on with your reading. And before that, I'll be taking an angel blessing card to see how my angels are going to help in this situation with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, you're a leader. Yes, Leo, you are a leader. Somebody here in this connection has to take a lead. Otherwise, you're going to lose it, right? So, be the leader that you're supposed to be. So I'm going to now start, Leo. I'm going to concentrate on person A and person A only. Okay, let's forget about person B for the time being. Let's see how person A is doing, and then we'll switch over to the other side. So why is person A in the Five of Cups in reverse energy, Spirit, and the Tower in reverse? Why is person A in the Five of Cups in reverse energy? I think person A has been evaluating and not very happy with the way this relationship has grown or not grown. They're thinking of, is it a waste of time? I've been putting my time, energy, effort, and nothing's really grown here. Is it even worth, investing in anymore? Should I put in any more investment, or was the past investment already gone down the drain and blown up with the tower? So is it time for me now to go on a fresh new beginning for myself and leave the past where it belongs? I mean, waiting around for it is not really kind of giving me anything here. Why waste any more time? The Tower, Spirit, in reverse. Tower in reverse. Yes, this became a little overburdening for person A. They felt they were doing all the work. They were carrying all the burden of this connection. The only investment going into this connection was probably from person A's side. They were, kind of reaching out or doing things or saying things to keep this relationship alive. And now person A is kind of figuring out that, hey, I can't be doing all the work. I'm tired. My back breaks now. And it's time I cut my losses here to move on to something else. And let this tower fall. If it's not stable enough, then why do I want it in my life? Yes, this person is losing hope in this connection, Leo. I don't know whether this is you or your person. I don't know. Person A is kind of losing hope in this connection and allowing, things to disintegrate as they will. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to be feeling this way? Person A feels the Seven of Swords in reverse, which means they feel they did make a choice. They did make a choice in the past, but this choice backfired on them because it ended up only them making that choice for this connection, putting in all the effort, putting in all the work, and they got nothing really back in reverse. They feel they connected with somebody who was very controlling in this connection, who was a false emperor, who always wanted their way or the highway. They were trying to be directing this relationship to the way it would suit them. Right? So person A feels, hey, I did make a decision. I did choose them at one point. I did choose to be in this connection, but this connection kind of backfired on me because I got nothing back in return. And this person, the person A was very confused as to everything was hidden in the dark. This emperor never really truly kind of, came up or stepped up to the plate for them, kept everything very hidden, very confused, and person A finally, I think, made a decision. What decision was that, Spirit? They decided not to wait around anymore, it seems. Two of Wands in reverse. I'm not going to wait around. I call the shots now. I'm putting this thing to an end. If person B is not going to be on the same page as me, then I will make that decision. But it only came after them feeling that, things backfired on them because they realized sooner than later that it was only one person doing all the work. So how does person A now feel about the connection, or person B? They feel this person actually had a lot of potential. The Emperor. Person A feels okay. I think person A has decided to take back control of their own life. Yes, person A has now decided to take back control of their own life and drop anything or anyone who's going to juggle them or consider them to be an option. So person A says, I am the master of my own life now. I take back charge, I take back control. I'm no longer wanting to flow with this energy where things are always stuck, things are never moving. I don't think there's any possibility of having any reconnection or re-beginnings or a rebirth of this connection now. I'm going to let karma play out its role now. I was there, I was available, offering the 10 of Cups to my person, but they never kind of acknowledged it or respected it. So I think person A is now calling judgment on person B. 10 of Cups, Spirit. 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups. Yes, person A is now put a lid on that cup of love and they're redirecting. Yes, person A is now redirecting all that love that they had to share onto themselves. They're healing, they're bringing back balance in their own life. They've put a lid on this cup of love to say, it's all mine. I mean, nobody else was pouring into my cup anyway. I was the one who was pouring out, right? So now I'm going to keep it all to myself and find happiness and wish fulfillment on my own and heal my own life. So what action? This is how they're feeling right now, but if they're going to take any action in the near future, we'll open later, Leo. Let's go on to the other side and see how person B is feeling. Person B has the 4 of Swords. Why is that, Spirit? And the Knight of Cups. One more. Person B has been playing a game. Person B has till now been playing a game. They've been playing mind games with person A. They've been trying to, show them who's the boss. It's my way or the highway. Exactly how person A has been feeling about them. And now they're kind of thinking about their past behavior. What did I do? Why did I behave in such a way? Heart of hearts, what they really wanted was to show up for person A, like the King of Pentacles, to show them, I am capable, I have everything in order, or maybe they didn't have it in order, and that's the reason they were playing these mind games, because all these cards suggest they had a little bit of insecurity in their mind. They felt maybe I'm not good enough, maybe person A has other options, maybe they can have somebody better than me. So they were taking their time out to maybe become a better version of themselves, all the while, heart of hearts, having a lot of feelings, lot of emotions for person A, not wanting this chapter to shut down or end at all. They were just biding time, I think. They were just biding time and playing all these foolish games to get more time, maybe. I don't know. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling like this? The Magician in reverse. Yes, they were creating illusions. They were trying to be a bit of a trickster. They didn't know how to take a love offer. I think heart of hearts did want a balanced relationship, but they weren't sure whether they were capable or able to offer an equal balanced relationship to person A. They were not sure whether they were ready to have this, equal partnership, equal give and take. So they were creating illusions. They were creating this drama around this connection by maybe sometimes ghosting person A, or behaving in an immature manner. They never really took that offer of love. They never really did, because they themselves were maybe feeling a bit insecure whether they were ready to offer this stable beginning. So then why were they overwhelmed, Spirit? 10 of Wands. Maybe they had a lot going on in their life. They had a lot of responsibility. What happened in the recent past, Spirit, for them to behave like this? 10 of Wands. 10 of Wands. Oh, okay. They had a tower moment of some sort. Maybe with somebody from their past. One more. Maybe they had a tower moment with somebody from their past. This could be a past connection who they were still connected to. They still had to walk away from it. Maybe they had a lot of responsibility, before they could move ahead towards their soulmate, who they thought was person A. They were going through their own burdens and dealing with their own tower moments and trying to walk away from something. What's that, Spirit? Yes, this person was not ready for a fresh new beginning. They were not ready to leap off that cliff to say, hey, yippee, here I am and let's be in a connection. They couldn't do that because I think they had too much going on. They were not in a place where they could, So they started to create illusions. They started to create confusion. Maybe they didn't want to speak the truth about what was going on in their own life. So how does person B now view this connection, Spirit? They feel they've been abandoned. 5 of Cups, Spirit. 5 of Cups. 5 of Cups. They do want to come out of this place though. They would like to end this fight. Yes, if there's been some conflict, person B does want to end this conflict. They do want to come out of feeling now left behind or neglected or not being given attention. They definitely don't want this chapter to end between person A and person B. Person B is still open. They are still willing. The world in reverse, Spirit. World in reverse. They want to have victory. They do see person A as someone they can have victory with. They don't want this to end. Maybe they have a little bit of ego and pride because they feel that if I go towards person A now, I may be asked some questions, or person A will be a little rude to me, maybe harsh with me because of the way I've behaved. So their ego and pride may be keeping them a little stuck at the moment, but they don't want to shut this chapter, that's for sure. So let's see if they'll take any action now. Let's see. We're going to start with person A's action. So person A, will you take any action, or are you done now? Knight of Swords in reverse. Why is that an action, Spirit? Why is Knight of Swords an action that person A can take? Person A is actually quite angry. They are quite angry, quite frustrated at being left at crossroads. They feel I have the world in my hands and I want something which is committed, which is long term. I'm not going to be considered somebody who will just wait around for nothing. They want something stable. They want something long term. They want something which will pass the test of time. They want a commitment. They don't want to be considered one option, that one day they're around and one day they're not around. They don't like this kind of behavior. This makes them really mad and very upset. So will they take any action, Spirit? Person A? They're trying to manifest, yes, they're trying to manifest something which is, they try to manifest themselves here, Leo. I don't know whether this is you. Person A is trying to manifest to be the best version for themselves at the moment. They feel if I concentrate and give myself all the love that I was willing to pour into person B or any other connection, I'm wasting my time. First and foremost, I have to become the best version of myself. Concentrate on my projects, concentrate on my healing, concentrate on, me feeling like the Queen of Wands. And I don't think a person is even looking at concentrating on anything or anyone else right now except themselves. They've learnt their lesson. Let's see person B. King of Cups. All right. So person B seems to have developed or recognized or wanting now to, they want communication again. They do have a lot of love for person A, but they are a bit emotionally manipulative, I would still say. It's their habit. I think that's their habit to sometimes come in and show a little bit and then pull out their bow and arrow and, attack person A and then bring out their cup of love again. So a very wishy-washy kind of an energy, I would say. Heart of hearts, all this person does want, yes, they do have a lot of love. They have a lot of love. They may or may not be able to express it, but right now all they're wishing for is if only this fight would end or people would put their barriers down now, so that this conflict can end and we can find peace and harmony once again. Person B really wants to have this communication with person A. They may come across sounding very logical, very straightforward, while hiding that cup of love that they have deep in their heart. So why was the devil here, Spirit, as an underlying energy? Devil. Oh, I think person B is pretty obsessed. Oh my God, King of Cups is out again. I rest my case. Okay, so the King of Cups is out again. Yes, I was asking why was the devil here? Now, whoever this King of Cups is on person B's side, masculine, feminine, doesn't matter. The person who hasn't taken action till now and now they do want to, they are really wanting this reunion. They're obsessed. They are sexually very attracted, I feel. They feel a lot of passion for person A. They do want to fight for one more chance. They do want to try one more time. I think their passions are pushing them to go towards person A now, to try once again, because they don't want to lose this connection. I think person A has totally withdrawn, focusing on themselves, whereas person B is now waking up to say, hey, you can't go, I still have passion for you, I still have love for you, I'm actually quite obsessed with you, and give me another chance, please. Okay, so there's person B. If you're Leo, if you're person B, it's time for you to be in your Leo lioness mode and take action. And where person A is concerned, I think they've already taken the lead to make the best for themselves at the moment. They're not wasting any time on places, people, things which are not going to invest back into them. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Leo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.